Hi guys, here's a quick update on the Starclassic kit. Since I've stripped some of the vinyl off, it has taken a lot of the original decal away, unfortunately. Also, you can see it leaves loads and loads of residue on the paintwork, which is an absolute pig to get off. I ended up having to use T-cut to get rid of a lot of it. But once you get all that off, that's the sort of finish we've got. And it's not too bad. I mean, most of the drums do have nicks and stuff in them, but a lot are just sort of dents in the finish. You can see here, there's dents, but from far away you can't see them there, but up close you can. So the shells are in fairly good nick. The next thing I've been working on was the hardware, and I want them chrome, so I've been dipping them in this stuff, which is paint stripper, which is awful stuff. But if you leave it in there to soak, eventually it'll peel the paint off and you can get back down to chrome again, but it's a horrible job. This new paint stripper these days is a lot tamer than it used to be. The old Nitromorse used to literally burn your fingers off, but this stuff's so soft now, it's not so dangerous. But I would recommend wearing gloves. But if you wash it down a bit, then like I say, I use a bit of aluminium, an old Rockstar badge. It'll just literally peel off. And it's a horrible job, and it takes a lot of time. The water neutralises the paint stripper, but if you keep going, eventually they'll look like this. Now, because of the damage of the decal, where the vinyl pulled the original one off, I've had these made, and they should stick straight over top of them, and they should make them look good again. So after hours of work, here's the 18. All the chrome come up beautifully, really. There's the new decal I've put on. Like I say, it's not as good as the original ones because they go under the lacquer, but that looks really, really nice. And there's the finished drum. But I've got lots to do yet. I mean, with all these shelves, it's going to take hours and hours and hours. A real labour of love. But I'll keep you updated as and when they're finished.